okushakira abantu aba kukozerwa aba Fathers Heart Mobility Ministry bakwatanise n'abany'eishengyero ba district ya Rwampara.
Obundi abakyara nturabanisibwamu obundi omwana omushereko mu kishenge tori kumushoza tari kurebwa abantu mbwena omburema ayihamu n'ekizibu ekindi ayongera kuba kubi.
Emyaka 15 takarenga go mu kibuga cyawe no yetamwa no hura waburo businje hata omuntu nkogwe yijaha naba nayoreko mu gashogwa kagari mwene kumuragarikeyo abatija bona mubagambire ngo kitwareba hariya twargo murevo twaze mureve ndijo
kandi jo project yo nakutwagiye kujya barira neyingana miliyoni nkaganemwe n'emitwaro 50 61.5 million ezaguzire bintu ebi nitoka members ba parliament twayongeramo ezo kuba yamba eziro mu transport zo kurenga miliyoni 10 kureba ngo bisha babasa kufisya abantu bitu obuhereza.
Francis Mugwanya orumukuru wa Fathers Heart Mobility Ministry yayureko kwato habo y'ubuhereza bw'eby'amagara ebiciro kuba mu ihanga kandi biri kurugera habano kuba barema.
We find that there are several children who have cerebral palsy. These show that the medical care is also lacking. People need, expectant mothers need health services closer to them. When they do not get the medical care that they need, when they need to deliver the baby is given birth to, they are tired.
Ogunagira ngo abana bino buri mahamibiri yabo bashemerire kutwarwa mu mashomero nk'abandi bana kandi bakahebwe emirimo ekiriye kizuba mu Uganda.
Employment is another one. People with disabilities are still marginalized. Even when they are educated, many companies, organizations do not give them the opportunity to work.
Employers bona bamanye ngo okora umurimo kikwetaga kugira ngo obe oyinokora ninga twore. So nishaba ngo one abana bitu abine mu bweremwa mubikirize kuzo mu mashomero bakashoma.
Businge noreda omukikuro ku rugomuri nyamukanje Rugando no mu bahewa kagari kandi oguna abantu bayoreka amashemererwa.
Omu district ya Rwampara twina barema abarukorenga 350 abar wheelchair users. Oburemo bw'abantu abarukutambuze bunu engaro n'amajuna okwesehe barkwenda kandi abinji n'abatakorga mu makagwabo ahabwa type ya disability ebina hambere gwabo.
Abaremiga na 20 nibo barukuza kutunga obwaro obwagabwa hatamu na nyenchakare ahabwa TV West inda Aidan Bataringaya.